everybody. If you're hearing voices in the background, it's just Citrus watching his own video. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Yeah, he lost his account. And I'm going to be saying, who liked my comment 26 minutes ago? It's not supposed to show this. Heart. Okay. Yeah. So we're doing the same rules. But maybe we should do a new challenge. What challenge should that be, Citrus?
Wait, I'm going to start recording.
He hasn't recorded yet. Yeah. Everybody laugh at him. Just kidding. Don't laugh at him. He has feelings. Or does he? He's an alien.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Are we gonna do a new challenge or keep doing gym leader?
I don't think we're gonna do gyms. We can do evil teams.
Or our evil teams?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay, so at this, I basically have the type advantage because Ice is basically just a lot of water Pokemon with a secondary type. Except he has Kyurem. Yes, we're allowed 6 Pokemon.
Excuse me, I'm just gonna go take some water.
6 Pokemon, 1 legendary. He is going to use Kyurem, black, and I am cooked. Yeah. What am I going to choose for them? Electric. Sabdoze. I can perfectly speak Norwegian. Hei alle sammen, dere skjønner kanskje ikke hva jeg sier, men jeg prøver bare å forklare dette på norsk. Okay.
So it's probably smart to mute this website.
What website?
Because they can hear the bathroom.
Pee-pee doodle caca. Pee-pee doodle caca. Pee-pee doodle caca.
Yeah.
But we are going to have to go in different rooms again. Okay, are you ready? The challenge starts now. Okay. I'm not gonna be doing that much TSB anymore. It's kind of dead. Thunderous might be a good. I need Roto Watch because he knows I'm an electric type, so can't get nothing bad. Wait, I have levitate. It doesn't matter. Or does it? I don't remember. Air balloon. Why would I need air balloon? Air balloon.
We do Gen 8 draft because one of my... Well, I use Gigantamax Pokemon.
Me too.
So Gen 8 draft.
Gen 8 draft. He knows which Gigantamax I'm going to use. Which is... He's going to use Gigantamax Lapras! What am I going to do? I feel like he heard that, but I don't even care. What am I going to do? I have the type advantage. Is he going to put me to sleep? Is he going to put me to sleep? Sleep? Okay. I just figured out a way to fully kill him. Shadow Balling, okay? But I'm gonna need a Pokemon that learns the ability I need. And that ability you might know as... No, it's a move. So it's not an ability. It's easier to spell. Ooh, that static is better, I think. What? There's 2 electrovires? What? What the heck? Huh? Electric? Electric? What is electric? Yeah, it was way better attack. I can't give it motor drive. Rolling. I do not think that's what I need, bruh. I'm sponge. He gonna do something? I'm gonna do it to him. Where's throat shot? Darkest Lariat. How do you spell throat chop? Please tell me. I do not know. What? Huh? So he can't learn. No, me dog. Oh. Electric Pokemon that can learn. He's my main, so I can't do. Ooh, Zeraora could very easily be a counter Volt Absorb. Use the ability. Yes, he got it. Is he a special attacker? He's an attacker. Yay. I do not need focus. If I know he's gonna switch. Plasma Fist, I can just one-shot his Lapras, even in Gigantamax. I was trying to say that so I could easily just, get him scared and focused. One-shotting Lapras, that is easy, G-Max. What? Huh? Hey, Berryman.
What?
I can't use G-Max forms in Gen 8 draft.
I know.
What? So we just aren't allowed?
Yeah, I know.
National Dex. Let's test if I can do it. Here I can use Megas. What? Huh? Can I use G-Max? I can use Megas, but I can't use G-Max. Okay, no G-Max.
Where can you use G-Maxes, by the way?
Gen 8. Monotype Nationals.
Monotype Nationals?
I'm testing. Why can I use Megas, but not? Okay.
Yeah, that's a weird thing. Why can I use Megas but G-Maxes are allowed? It's just stupid.
Yeah,
By the way, I got some water on your desk.
maybe.
By the way, let's close the door.
No, wait. No, I'm just trying to find. This is not the one I
Find it yet?
No. Let me test if I get one more. Just close the door.
Please, leave me yourself.
Believe in. I can still choose them even though are we just gonna use okay, we can't do that. No, I don't want you. I'm gonna search. I'm bad at spelling. I'm typing fast. Wait, Gen 9 max battles? Gen 8 monotypes? No, I don't care! I do not care about you, all cream! I do not care about you, all creamy.
All cream.
Are you gonna cream?
What? Hey, what's the actual?
Yes! I found something that can use Gmax! Now, I don't want to show you the Gen 8 Battle Stadium singles. And now I'm gonna get cooked by a lappers even quicker. Joke. My whole team can basically counter. Arctic Assault. Slush Rush. Oh, but I need electric. This is definitely gonna last more than any other video. Plus, 6 Pokemon is kinda annoying to get while you. How many Pokemon do I even have? It's that I got a lot of choices. Gmax Pikachu could work. Quick Feet. What? Quick Feet. Lantern. Water Absorb. What's guess the special attack then. That's horrible stats. He's gonna set up Hail, so I'll just use his Hail. Hail will be a great strategy for him, but I'm not gonna tell him because I can use Electric Terrain. Hello, the little dog. Hello, little doggy. What's up? I feel dumb. It's so dumb that it would work. Bolt Hunt? A quick zip. That could work. Again, Strong Jaw. Ooh, so crunch. Thunderfang. Fire. I'm gonna bring so many fire types. Psychic. So many. I know this is not a viable, but it's the strat I'm doing. So you don't doing. I got a little secret, don't know you can keep it. I should, but nobody knows. Okay, we want fire. He's trying to trick me into thinking he's gonna use water types, but he's not that dumb, or is he? Is he dumb enough? maybe. Ooh, this is not unfair. He used polyphins. This is totally fair. Totally fair. Sounds very good. Totally fair. Totally fair. Totally fair. Totally fair. Totally fair. Totally fair. Totally. Weakness? Is it weakness? No, it's blunder. It's not blunder. What is it then? It's policy. I get it right. Policy even. It's next to weakness policy. Blunder. Blunder. I can just not write it. I'm just gonna. That's our Lord. Oh my God! If I build it all on speed, try killing it now, Yura. Just kidding. His name isn't Yura. Yura is a very Japanese name, so. By the way, do you know why I keep saying Yura? I lost to somebody named Yura. Not Citrus. Citrus. I don't know Citrus's gender. Might be a girl. Has the voice for it. I can hear that you're done. I can hear that you're done. Ooh, hyper voice. Hyper voice. Boomers. They're just better hypers. Well, John. What the move times in? We need a poison. Toxic orb. I feel like he's brought 2 Laprases, and I'm just not sure. Cell battery? We need it. Oh no, that's evil. But I'm not gonna tell him. I'm not gonna tell Citrus. Pixie plate. Pixie plate. No. No. Why is Pixie Plate the only one legal? No. I know you're done. Are you done? No, I hear that you're done. Screech. Oh, that could work. Yeah. Men? What? And then we take last. What move do we need? We need a poison. Sludge. No, it's sludge wave. I realized this Pokemon is not viable at all. No. Okay, so I tried to validate and I have to delete a Pokemon. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna go for the most evil strategy he's ever seen. He's not only gonna use Ice type. He's just so cloudy. Maybe it feels negotiable. Maybe it feels so mystical. Slush. Okay. Yeah, good for you. Oh, these stats are terrible, but I don't care enough to change them. Why would I? I know he's an attacker, but like, come on, bros. We're all adults here. Who knew there were? I just realized I'm missing a Pokemon. Are you serious? Oh, Arctis ulti is there. Yeah. You're deleted and you're getting replaced with an 2 Pokemon having to be deleted? That's evil. Add more Pokemon. Oh no. Oh, I do not care anymore. So I'm gonna choose the most evil strategy. And why not? Let's add a Pokemon. I'm not gonna really use it. Speed. We need to be the fastest on the field. My first legendary was banned, and then one other Pokemon was banned. CTT. Oh, I haven't chosen.
You're not mine.
Because I haven't chosen my name.
You monkey.
Done. I've chosen my name.
Okay, good. I have stayed silent for the most, but yeah, I'm gonna find a user.
This is gonna be our longest video. More than 30 minutes. Almost.
Why? By the way, I have a very important question to ask you.
What?
Why are you Cynthia? Challenge me, by the way.
Because Gen 3 is one of my favorite gens. No, Gen 4. Gen 4. Just write your name. Gen 4 is one of my favorite.
Oh, I haven't chosen name.
You bombastic idiot. I'm gonna go through my Dragonite V and V-Star collection from Pokemon Let's Go that got crushed. And why not Executor V2? Why did you guys get crushed? You were so cool. Why? Dragonic Star. It's an evolution.
Give me. I'm gonna find the name.
Okay. Kaka Squad? Kaka Squid? Kaka Squid?
Yes,
What
Kaka
name is
Squid.
Kaka Squid?
Very fire name. Find a user. No. Kaka. No, not big. Kaka. Squid. What was that? Oh, wrong. Kaka. No, not big. Kaka. What are you watching? Is it poop or is it poop?
It's an ad before I can watch something I'm supposed to watch.
Gen 8. What was the name of the firm?
Single stadium battle.
The Hoenn region has two villainous teams. Team Magma that wants to expand the land using Groudon, and Team Aqua that
And Team Spark and Team Ice.
Oh my god, I'm gonna need to check this. Gen 8 Battle Stadium.
and sole member of Team Sky. Couldn't think of a better name. And Team Sky's goal is to use Rayquaza to expand the sky, whatever that means. The first thing I have to do is choose my starter. I will not be using the starter for very long because none of them can become flying type, and I'm gonna use flying types. I'm Team Sky. But I'm going to
Oh my god.
Here is where the Team Sky playthrough really begins. I'm going to be catching my first Pokemon by effectively starting with this Poochyena. Now you may be wondering,
Ah!
Poochyena is not flying, it would not do well in the sky. Well, the answer to that is that Team Magma and Team Aqua use a ton of these things. So, welcome to the squad.
Yeah, best of 3. It automatically is best of 3, apparently.
Oh, maybe okay.
Okay, let's see what's better. Corviknight. Why do you only have 5 Pokemon?
Oh, we need a 6? Okay, fine. I can win.
If you would have told me this, I would just not have taken Arctozolt. What? Huh? Is it double battle? No, it isn't. Oh, I had to choose which 3 Pokemon.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad I got this. I'm 4 times super.
Me.
I'm 4 times super effective. You didn't choose Kyurem?
No. Me. Oh. Wow.
No, my special attack.
What?
I'm saying Miku.
I did not expect this to be like this, so this is kind of weird.
I'm not even using my main. And neither are you.
Regieleki is your main?
No. Think about it.
I tracked.
Are we different genders?
Yeah.
Are you girl? Or are you boy?
I'm a girl.
Oh, you girl? Oh, you girl. Nobody care about girl. Just kidding. If you're a girl, be happy, I guess.
Girl.
Or be sad because
Can you say girl again?
girl.
It was
Why are you using cure creme?
Oh no, you have levitate!
I thought you were actually psyching me, and that got me so scared. I got so scared. Dragon dance.
Are you?
Please, please,
Thank you.
please, 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 please. You're weaker because of burn, by the way. Please, 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 please. Yes, I have a fairy type move. You're dead now.
No. 1 HP.
And you think you can win?
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm gonna set? I'm going to finish you with a ice type move.
That's just disrespectful.
Yes. A rematch. Best of 3, right?
No, just 1 battle.
No, 3.
Fine.
This time I'm not going to choose weak Pokemons.
Yeah, I didn't realize what this was.
Me neither. Lupras. Wait, isn't this both our aces? You racist. I think I can just... Oh, God. Scream! How is Lappers faster than me? How is Lappers faster than me? You're not faster than this guy.
Okay, I'm cooked anyways.
Now I have electric. By the way, I was gonna Gigantamax my Toxtricity, but I realized I do not have a single stat in speed for him, so he was terribly slow. Terribly.
Thank you for the light screen.
Does Max strike this? I'm out of options. Yeah, we know how this is gonna go. Unless I miss, you crit, and... No! No! Bro. Please.
Oh.
Thaw out. Thaw out. Thaw out. I'm a fire type. I'm a frozen solid. The next thing you're gonna crit, and I'm gonna be big sad. No! Thaw. No! You. No! The the next round decides it all. I said best of 3.
Okay.
Okay, that was just me being totally unlucky. Right, Reggie Draco?
Reggie. Boom.
Okay, you didn't see it coming, right?
Reggie. Boom.
You have a lot of damage to kill me. I have Reggie Boom. Shoot!
No.
Shoot code! Shoot!
Come on.
Shoot code! I'm faster, boy.
Come on.
I'm still faster, boy.
Come on.
Faster, boy. I'm faster, boy. As long as I finish a Pokemon in one turn, I can't finish him. What does
Huh?
It sounds a lot. Another one bites the
What?
dust. I took away your hail. Hail, no. Okay, next turn I'm gonna be cooked. If you chose
This
Cure,
round does not choose it all, by the way.
why not?
Because, duh.
Are you slow?
Yes. Think.
Oh! What, huh?
Oh.
Oh. You're a seal type, I just helped you. Reggie Boom!
No, not Reggie Boom. Oh no.
Let's not be unlucky this time. Finally!
No. Best go 3.
Okay, another best to a 3. No. I chose random battle.
How long is this?
What? What are you doing?
How long is this?
Video?
Yeah.
I don't know. We can call it us playing
The
along.
long way.
Yes, a long way.
The long way.
I'm scared. Why are you starting with Lapras? It's like the dumbest. By the way, I just looked at your screen. And we're on different maps.
What?
We're on different
Yeah, so
maps.
you're on the beach while I'm on the street.
Yeah, it's a bit too chilly on the beach. Like you.
Yeah. Just went snowboarding.
Paralyze. No. You don't even. Why did you not use a water type move? What?
I just have ice, rock, and the dragon dance.
Bro has water, rock, and dragon. G-Max stun.
Oh.
G-Max stun. It's super effective.
No.
Yes, it is. It's literally.
Why can't I use dragon dance?
Ah.
Come on, get Omnibus. Aurora Veil.
Toxtricity. You're
Sheer cold, please.
Okay, that was kind of evil of me. Naughty. Why do you not start with E-Bomb Snow? Like I would start with
Oh,
Obama if I had him. What?
Har du ikke skjønt det ennå?
Har du bytt? Hvordan har du så mange Pokémon? Og du begynte nettopp å snakke norsk. We are English, man.
Don't you understand it yet? What strategy am I using? I hope you don't do Reggie Drago go boom.
I think that would kind of lose and win. Reggie Draco go boom. I misclicked and clicked explosion.
Reggie go boom. A critical hit one shot.
That crit definitely mattered.
No. Elegant.
I want to go for boom. But who is going to win?
Yes, go boom.
Who's going to win if I go
Please
boom?
Go boom.
Who's going to win if
I don't know. Just go boom.
Are we going to test it?
Yes, go boom. Reggie go boom.
It kills you before it kills me.
No, it kills you before it kills you.
Aw.
I won.
Rematch.
No,
Yes.
it's too long.
No.
Wait, when har ikke jeg startet?
Bro hasn't started the recording. Just type see the video on the characteristics channel.
But this is only on his channel because I forgot to record.
Yeah, and I told everybody your gender. It's a girl, right?
I'm gonna